Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we will examine a few features of Internet Explorer and especially how to speed up Internet Explorer by managing all the add-ons that want to go into the desktop version of Internet Explorer. So go onto your desktop mode and get the Internet Explorer. Now, what slows down Internet Explorer the most is what we call add-ons, which is basically add-ons are a mix of, for example, the top here, the toolbars. Like example, here we have a Google toolbar at the top, and also of all sorts of features that are inside the Internet Explorer. Like for example, an add-on, a very popular add-on is Flash. If you got Flash Player, you've got a Flash little add-on called Shockwave Flash Object. Adobe Reader with its PDF also adds a feature, a add-on. And lots of other pieces of software can actually add stuff to Internet Explorer and make it extremely slow at startup. So what do? You go and look at the add-on list and remove what's not necessary. First of all, having too many toolbars is one of the worst things you can have, because that really slows down Internet Explorer a lot. So start by managing your toolbars. If you can remove them in the Add Remove Programs section of the Windows computer, or the in the Windows list, then remove all the toolbars that are unnecessary. Second of all, go into the tools at the top, or if you don't have that menu bar, on the upper right you've got a little pinwheel just under the X, the red X, to close the window. And go into the tools and click on Manage Add-ons. And here you'll have a list of all the add-ons that are enabled or disabled on your computer. So here we've got the Adobe PDF Link Helper, for example, which is enabled. Now this enables you to view PDFs inside Internet Explorer. So you can keep that if you want to see PDFs. Now suppose I don't want to have the Google toolbar. Well, like I said, you can remove it in the Add Remove Programs, but you can also right click or click on the add-on here, and it says Enable. You just go at the bottom right of the window and click Disable and say, yeah, I want to disable this object. And when you disable stuff, it basically disables all the bars. So you see here, Internet Explorer restarted with the toolbar. That just got removed, and you see that the Google toolbar at the top is now gone. So go through the add-ons. Try to be careful on which add-on you remove, because some will actually take functions out of Internet Explorer. For example, if you disable the Shockwave Flash Object add-on, what's going to happen is that if you go on a website like YouTube or any site that uses Flash, you'll notice that unfortunately the websites don't work anymore. So that could be a big problem. So just go through. Some add-ons have a little time next to it, so they tell you, okay, well, this add-on takes 0.01 seconds or whatever to load. So you can check at what speed and how much time it takes for each add-on to load. If you see some add-ons that are extremely slow, then you can remove them. Add-ons that you know you'll never use, for example, I never use OneNote. So what I'll do is make sure that all of that is disabled, because I don't use OneNote. So every time you disable something, it means that when you start Internet Explorer, that's one thing that's not going to be loaded or called upon. Each add-on is basically a small little piece of software that needs to run, and Internet Explorer has to wait for it to start before it can continue loading. So most of the slow starts in Internet Explorer are due to too many toolbars and too many add-ons. So remove all of that and try to get as clean as a Internet Explorer as possible, and hopefully yours will start as fast as mine. and that you'll really have something a lot more performance if you want. Another thing to look for is how many pages. You see here I have 2 tabs. Every time I turn on Internet Explorer, 2 tabs are open. That means that in my Internet Explorer I have multiple pages, multiple start pages. So you can also go into the Tools option and the Internet option, and you see here I have 2 addresses. Just remove what you don't want and just put the start page that you actually want, and just keep one. That also is going to make your Internet Explorer faster. Some people actually have 4, 5, 6, 7 different start pages, and what happens is that the more start pages you have, the slower the performance of your computer. So I gotta be careful with that also. So this is a quick video. Hopefully that's going to help you have improved startup time and performance in Internet Explorer. This works in all versions, 8, 9, 10, and hopefully things will get better for your internet navigation. So if you enjoy these videos, click the subscribe button and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions on what you've heard, please let us know. And maybe you have a feature or a video of some Windows 8 feature that you'd like to see. Let us know and we'll try to put that video online for you. And hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Great place if you've got that new Windows 8 machine to learn more about Windows 8. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.